The Civic Residence Estate is back, but this time even much better than it was. This is what delivery looks like. I mean, the last time I was here, these bungalows were just coming up. Take a look and see for yourself what it is today. I'll be right back after the short clip. Welcome back, beautiful people, to the Civic Residence Estate. Now, one of the things that makes me highly recommend this property is how rapid the developers here build. I mean, it seemed just like yesterday when I came here and it was bare land. I came here when they just started this project, when they were clearing it. And coming here today to see all that they've delivered and even handed over to investors. I mean, we already have residents living in this estate, and this even in this era of delayed project here and there, and you find people like this who are not just collecting money from you but also working with the money that you've paid. This is definitely the right place to put your money in. And another reason why I'm recommending this to you is that it has a really long-term payment plan. I mean, we have options for people who want to buy directly. You have up to 1 year payment plan, and for people who want to buy through mortgage, you have up to 20 years mortgage plan on it, so you can subscribe to whichever you deem fit. Initial deposit is 15 million naira. We have various house types here. Previously, it was meant to just be only bungalows, but right now they're also introducing duplexes into this estate. So it will comprise of 3 bedroom, fully detached bungalows, 4 bedroom bungalows, and we'll also be having duplexes here. It is located right inside an estate in General Paints, just by Brahmadesoya, very close to Ajah. Now, during the course of this video, I'll go into one of the house types here so that you see the sizes of the rooms, see the space management and all. And I'll also give you more information about this property. But also have different options you can subscribe to. We have the fully finished one and we have the semi-finished one. I'll be giving you more information about that during the course of this video, so you have to watch this video till the end. And also, their property gets sold out really fast. This property didn't stay too long in the market because bungalows are a bit scarce, unlike duplexes. So whenever anyone comes into the market, there's a high demand for it. So if you love what you see at the end of this video, give us a call immediately. Now, before I flip this camera to head into the business of the day, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. It is such a delight to grace your screen today. My name is Victoria Chizobaduraku, and I have such a beautiful family here on YouTube that I would really love for you to be part of. So, as you're watching this video, all I need you to do is go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video here. If this also doesn't fit into what you want, maybe you want to land or a different kind of house in a different location, we also have them at various locations. All you have to do is just reach out to me on the number displayed on your screen, and I'll be right here to give you the best of genuine properties only. Now, having done that, please be my guest as I flip this camera and we tour the Civic Residence Estate together while I give you more information. Come along, please. Welcome back, beautiful people, to my channel. So we'll be starting this video from the entrance of the estate. This is what the entrance of the estate looks like. We have this solar light right here outside, and we have this green area right in front of the estate gate. Okay, so this is the gate for the exit for vehicles, and then this is the entry gate for vehicles. All right, so let's go in. Now, this property is owned by Gidi Real Estate Company. They are the owners of this estate, the Gidi Real Estate Company, and this is not their first project. This is not their only project. They also have the Palms Residence Phase 1, Phase 2. They have the Gidi Mall, amongst others. Now, one of the things that makes them to stand out, see, I've been in this industry for quite a while, and I've been selling their properties also for a while, for quite a while now. And one of the things we know them for is their rapid construction process. They build really fast. They really do deliver, and for that reason, most of their projects get sold out really fast. For instance, this estate, when it came into the market, it got sold out within few weeks. So if you love what you see again, please reach out to me immediately. All right, so right here is where we have the experience center. Right here, this is where we have the experience center, more like an estate office. And then you can see their drainage system is well laid. You see, so you can be sure that there's nothing like flooding in this estate. Now all of these units are sold out already. These are two-bedroom bungalows. Two-bedroom bungalows. Like I said, I remember when I used to come here. In fact, I entered this was the precise unit I entered back then when they just started constructing it to show the room sizes. And to come here today and see it fully standing, it is quite commendable. Now, so these are two-bedroom terrace duplexes right here. So I'm walking to the unit where I'll be showing you the interior so that you see the room size. I told you we already have residents here in the estate. You can see there's an air condition right here as to say that there's somebody living there already. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, we previously we had only just bungalows here, but now then they closed out on sales. But right now they brought it back into the market, and then now they'll also be having duplexes right here, not only bungalow. So what we'll be having here, we have the three-bedroom fully detached bungalow, we have the three-bedroom semi-detached duplex, three-bedroom fully detached duplex, and the four-bedroom fully detached bungalow with a penthouse. Initial deposit 15 million, spread your payment for up to 1 year if you're doing a direct purchase. 6 months come with 5% interest. 1 year come with 10% interest. 3 months is interest free. There's no interest on it. But if you're buying through mortgage, we have up to 20 years mortgage plan. You can reach out to us to get more information on that. Now, we have other notable estates inside the estates where this is located. So this is a mini estate inside a bigger estate. So we have estates like the Metro Homes, Genesis Court Phase 3, Ambience Estates, Phase 1 and 2. We have what other estate do we have here? We have lots and lots of other estates right inside this bigger estate. We also have some other notable landmarks like for Jaja Mall. We have ShopRite Sangotedo not far from here. And also you can, if you take the left, you can connect to Ogombo Road, and from Ogombo Road you can connect to the Coastal Road, which is also a very good level of accessibility for you. Now, to the back here is where we'll be having the new structures of bungalows and duplexes coming up. You can see they've started already, and I want you to take note of today's date because I'll be coming here with time so that you will see how fast their project is. I told you they're very fast with construction. Follow me on this journey, then you'll be able to attest to what I just said. This will serve as an evidence to what I just said. But then again, if you love what you see, if you want a company that develops fast and delivers fast with off-plan properties, please reach out to us immediately because their projects also get sold out really fast. Okay, so let me show you the height of their foundation. That's one of the things I like about off-plan properties. When you come to site, you can see that project just when it is getting started, and that way you'll be able to follow up with the construction process. There's something about you're living in the house and you know how they built it. You saw it from the inception till the finishing stage. There's this satisfaction it gives. Now take a look at the height of their foundation. Take a look at the height of their foundation. They do not compromise on quality at all. That's one of the things I really commend Gedi Real Estate Company for. All right. Okay, so let's go into one of their duplexes. Let's go into one of the bungalows, because what we only have here are bungalows. They just want to start building the duplexes. Now, before we go in to see this unit, let's see the BQ. So this is the full size of the BQ. A student size bed can fit into it and there'll still be space to move around. And right here is the toilet and bath for the BQ. Okay, so let's go into the main house itself. You can see the drainage system here is an underground drainage system. So we're going to be accessing it from the kitchen. So first off, let's see the full size of the kitchen before we begin to explore. So this is the full size of the kitchen. See, this spacious enough. You have enough space to move around freely. And it will be coming with an extractor, a gas burner right here. There's also a store here, the pantry for storage, cabinetries here. Okay. Now remember I said at the beginning of this video that the house will be coming in two types. There will be a semi-finished and there will also be a fully finished one. This is the living area. Now the semi-finished one, the 3-bedroom bungalow, the 3-bedroom semi-detached is going for 85 million naira. So for the semi-finished one, some of the interior parts would not be fixed. So that way you just fix it to your own taste, but the exterior part will be exactly the same thing as what we have to ensure uniformity. It is just some parts of the interior that they would not fix. You are the one that will fix it to your taste for the semi-finished, and their prices vary. Okay, so that's the guest toilet first. Now let's begin to explore the room sizes that we have here. So this is room number 1. This is the full size of it. And remember I said you can also access the coastal road from here, and the neighborhood is fully developed and habitable. This is room number 2. And the sizes of the rooms are spacious enough, if you can see from what I'm showing you here. See, the size is not bad. Okay. Toilet and bath. So we'll get to find out which of them is the master's bedroom. This room seems to be more spacious than the one I just showed you. Okay, so this is the master's bedroom right here. This is the master's bedroom because this room is more spacious than that one and also more spacious than this one. So, okay, so and the master's bedroom comes with, I noticed that we have 2 wardrobes in that one. But this one, we just have one wardrobe. So beautiful people, give us a call if you're out in the market looking for a bungalow in a developed location, an affordable bungalow. Remember I said their products usually get sold out really fast because of the high demand for bungalows, literally because of the high demand for their properties as a result of their rapid construction. So do not sleep on this offer. If you love what you see, give us a call immediately and schedule an inspection. You can use it for short let as well, that is permitted. So you can use it for rental, for your personal use, or even put it up for short let. So this is it. Thank you for sticking around till the end of this video. When we have the duplexes here, I'll also come make a video of that for you to see. I'll go inside and show you the room sizes also for that one. And we'll also have the 4-bedroom bungalows with a penthouse. I'll also do likewise. But for what we have now, it's just a 3-bedroom sample of the 3-bedroom Bungalow Duplex. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please do not leave without subscribing if you've not done that. And remember, I said we have other properties in different locations. You can also reach out to us if this doesn't fit into what you want, and we'll definitely get you something really credible. Till I come your way next time, my name is Victoria. It has been such a pleasure gracing your screen. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.